Hi, I'm Joe Lapham, and I'm sorry you're watching this. I bet that was the last thing you thought I would say. But the truth is, looking through personal injury attorney websites and videos is the last thing you want to be doing right now. But right now, you have no choice. You've been thrust into a situation where you're hurt, confused, overwhelmed, and probably even scared. Right now, you don't know who to trust or who to turn to. This is the last place you want to be in. I get it. But since you are in this situation, please know that it is my mission to help you get through it. For the last 20 years, I've been helping people in your exact same position. I understand the physical pain, psychological, and financial struggles you are dealing with. I've kept my practice small so that I can handle each and every case personally from start to finish. My goal is to ensure that every client gets 100% personal care and personal service from me. To that end, I promise to work to lessen your stress, reduce your burden, so that you can get back to work, living life, and feeling whole again. I'd love to sit down and have a conversation with you. There's no obligation for you to hire me. However, I want to make sure that all your questions and concerns are fully answered. Again, my name is Joe, and I would love the opportunity to help you through this difficult time.